Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to this week's mentoring video. It's August 17th, 2020. And as always, we begin with a little disclaimer here talking about that this video is for informational purposes only, education purely. I'm not giving any advice. All trading decisions are up to you. So let me take that away and we begin this week video with looking at the portfolio and comparing it to what happened actually in the last week. And there were some things happening, and I was playing little games with gold. We have quite a bit of positions now. Firstly, let's have a look at what's going on in the portfolio. You can see that the beta weighting is not really working right now. That's because of this KL position, which has like NA in here, and that destroys the whole calculation here. So I'll just take it away for now, so you can see that the portfolio is quite bullish. I will move very quickly just to see what we have in the portfolio, and I will just go to Analyze tab and jump through all of our positions that we have and talk about the interesting ones. So Adobe, we have a butterfly on this. This is recently a new trade that I've created. And generally, I saw a pattern on Adobe. So if you look at Adobe E, it's been relatively bullish. Then it kind of like dropped down, created this little, W pattern. And I was thinking it's going to break out of this. Probably I entered this position too early. It decided to do another swing. It still looks like it's bullish and it can go up. It's after earnings, it's above all the moving averages. Seems like it found support in the 20 simple moving average, and the 50 it bounced off it. So it's looking bullish to me. It's still in the uptrend. I'm hoping for it to go to like levels of 480s, 470s again, and so on, and break out. So if you look back at the at my butterfly, you see that the peak of the butterfly, so the head, is at 470. So coming back to here, my plan is to get Adobe to this level and stay there. I'll also move maybe a little bit to 480s. It's technology sector. This software is used now a lot at homes by the designers. People work online, and it's a solid company. I'm thinking that it's gonna do well. So, and this chart also suggests this. So we had a little W, so I'm going to just draw to you what I was seeing. So I've seen this little, I could say cup and handle, but also a little W, and then it kind of like bounced again. It created this like mini, maybe head and shoulders, looking bullish. So I think it's going to go up. If it decides to bounce down, bounce back, it's not a very big deal for us since it's a butterfly. It the value decays very slowly. So if it decides to move to 440s from the current price level, which is around 452, well, it's not going to hurt us so much. It's on $70, and you can see that max loss in this trade is 515. Max win is around 974, and if it decides to go further than 470 and just decides to go to 480s, our max win is 485. So more or less it's 1-to-1 on those two sides of the butterfly on the wings, and max win is like almost double the size of the max loss here. Colgate, that's a back ratio, and as I can see now on this chart, it's kind of working for us, but it just doesn't bring too much profits. But it's moving the right direction. I hope for it to go like to 80s, 81s to generate more profits. If you look at the charts, it's been bullish, and it looks like it may actually break out quite soon. So that's looking good. We can go to 78, 79, 80s. That's my hope to get with Colgate. Looks very, very bullish. I like it. I like this trade. I'm going to stay in the back ratio. I've been very bullish to it because it looks like it's breaking this major resistance zone here. And if it does, it's going to probably have a, like quite a big move upwards. It's after earnings, after dividend. Colgate is making money, and yeah, looking good. So I'm gonna keep that one here. For now, it's just a small win, but 40 here, but I think it has some potential. So this is the back ratio. Back ratio, remember, we create them by selling.